A driver arrives at her own son's crash scene, admits she drove, and registers a breath result of .17. She is a third-grade teacher, a daily school bus driver, and a locally elected official. 3 positions of public trust, 1 impaired drive, and a cascade of legal consequences begins.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Thank you for being understanding. Cops lie all the time. Go ahead. Have a good evening. Have a good evening. Go.
I appreciate your help. I appreciate it.
No, because you can go, sir, or you're going to be arrested for obstruction.
You better go.
Go. Yes, my investigation round. Good luck to you, okay? Good luck to you.
The DUI prosecution rests on 3 elements: operation, public roadway, and impairment. Element 1 is satisfied the moment she answers the officer's question with the words, "I drove here." That admission is voluntary, non-custodial, and Miranda warnings are not yet required. Element 3 is satisfied by 3 breath samples, .185, .171, and a final .17. Under Birchfield versus North Dakota, decided in 2016, warrantless breath tests incident to a lawful DUI arrest are constitutionally permissible. Blood draws, by contrast, generally require a warrant absent true exigency, per Missouri versus McNeely. The Fourth Amendment analysis here is therefore clean. Probable cause exists, and the testing method is constitutional. Most state statutes set the per se threshold at .08 blood alcohol concentration. For commercial driver's license holders, the threshold drops to .04 under federal law. A reading of .17 is therefore more than double the standard limit and over 4 times the CDL limit. Most states impose aggravated DUI enhancements at .15 or .17. This case sits squarely within those enhanced sentencing ranges, with mandatory minimums in many jurisdictions.
And then my mom has my actual insurance card. This is a temporary one. I think she's on her way here.
Okay.
He is in the process of getting insurance. He's like, I just last week got his insurance or talked to his insurance.
Did you drive here or did someone drive you here?
Do what?
Did you drive here?
I drove here.
How much have you had to drink tonight?
Not much. I was at home and then my son called me, so.
Yeah, well, what we're going to do since you drove here, we're going to do some tests to make sure you're all right to be driving.
I'm fine. I'm a justice of the peace. I'm an elected official. Please.
Well, you either call a
What
rider.
was I supposed to do?
Step on that line and face me.
And face you?
Yeah, face me.
And face you?
Yeah, face me. No, face my direction.
Oh, okay.
There you go. Like I said, he
I'm
can.
an elected official. He
And
called me.
And
he
I.
called me because he was in an emergency situation. I thought you told me to walk up
Nope.
the line. I was here for my son.
You have to
It was
pay
an
attention to these
accident,
instructions.
not for this. This is
You
the
have
only
to
reason
pay
why I
attention.
got out of my car.
It's
Dude,
important.
take me
not.
home.
I'm not being
Let
a
them
jerk.
take me home.
I'm not being a jerk. What
Let
I
them
need
take me
what
home.
I need you to do.
I am a justice of the peace
I
from
don't-
Washington County Quorum Court.
Listen, look at
and
me.
I know Sheriff
Look at me.
Helder.
Hey,
He
I
is
do
a
too.
friend of mine.
I know him too.
Sheriff Helder is a friend of mine. Call him.
I didn't ask you to have your mom be on the
It's not
way.
her fault.
It's not my fault. I'm here for my
Do you want to
son.
do the test? Yes.
You're
right now.
being a jerk.
No, I'm not.
You
I'm not.
are.
I'm trying
You're
to.
being a jerk. Why are you being that way? Why? How old are you?
I'm 24.
You're 24. I'm 41.
Okay.
Do you have kids?
Yes.
Okay. So understand the fact that when your child calls you and they've been in an accident, you're going to be there no matter what.
Not if I've been drinking, no.
That's not true. I'm going to
If you're
talk
in
to
an
Judge Wood. What is your name?
Officer Perez.
No.
Officer Perez.
Step back.
To be
No, I
patient
am.
with you.
I am a
Do you wanna do the
officer
test?
of the
I
court.
don't care who you are. Stop.
Do you
You're here
understand?
to take me.
Do you-
I refuse.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
your hands behind
No.
your back.
No.
Don't resist.
No. No. I'm a third grade teacher. I have to go to professional development tomorrow morning.
Stop.
Record this.
It's being
Record
recorded.
this.
I like
But
that.
can we drive her home?
No, she's going to jail. You're over here accusing me of saying something that I never said.
Cops lie all the time. We all know that.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
Thank you. You have a good
Thank you for being understanding. Cops lie all the time. Go ahead. Have a good evening. Have a good evening. Go. Go.
I appreciate your help. I appreciate
No, because
everything
you can go, sir, or you're going to be arrested for obstruction.
You better go.
I'm not
Go.
putting anything.
Yes, my investigation round.
How do we get her?
Good luck to you. Okay.
How do we get her back?
Good luck to you. And good luck to you.
Well,
Have a good evening. Cops lie all the time, sir.
well, he watches YouTube videos all the time.
Oh,
He's older.
well-
I don't.
Does anyone know what happens to her car?
But-
It's going to get towed.
Towed?
Yes.
Like, we can't take it?
No. Especially when I have someone like that being extremely disrespectful. You need to get off my scene or I'm going to take you to jail too.
Sorry.
For obstructing. You're on my scene right now. You can't even, you're not even supposed to be on the highway. Get in your car and go.
What about
It's gonna get towed.
It's okay, Dad.
Can I go get my wife?
No, because I lie. Go.
It's probably give a 17-year-old watching way too much YouTube.
Well,
I know, but I was at my home. I was fine until I knew my son was in trouble.
you had been drinking and you
I had
shouldn't
a few glasses of wine. That doesn't mean that when my son calls and says he's been in an accident, that I'm not gonna go.
You gotta find a ride. You can't drive.
What are you talking about, dude?
That's
I'm gonna make this so fucking public. You're gonna be so fucking. This is so bullshit.
I think the public's gonna like the way that you're talking to me, the way you're cussing. That's what we want.
I love it.
I'm not.
If you know that, then why are you arresting me? Let me go home with my freaking family that was here. What does someone do in that case?
Call
what
a
does a
ride.
parent do? They go to their child.
Or you call.
That's what I did. I went to my child. I was in professional development all day today for my school. I am a 3rd grade teacher. I also drive a school bus every day.
Okay.
During the... What do you mean, okay? That's what I do.
Okay. What? I don't know what you want me to say to that.
I was elected for a reason, and I am a law-abiding official. I was drinking at my home. My home. My child got in a car wreck.
So?
My child got in a car wreck. What would you do? What would you do if your child got in a car wreck?
Run to my neighbor
What
if
would
I've been
you do?
drinking.
Call someone? There's no time. All I knew that he was in a wreck. I just needed to get to him. I needed to get to him. He's my only kid. How dare you for arresting me for that? What the fuck is wrong with you? What the fuck is wrong with your sense of good doing? My God, I was going to my kid. I was going to my... I had like 3 glasses of wine. Don't shake your head.
28 is John
You're not innocent.
Frank
My
0879.
God. By the way, I'm a single parent. By the way.
And that is supposed to have an effect on this.
Oh, okay. Right. I was at home doing my own thing, and my child was with his girlfriend and had a wreck. And I went to the wreck, and I got arrested in front of him. You're the reason why cops have a bad name. People like you that arrest people like me that were there for a child that needed me. My child needed me, and now you took me away from him.
So if
He
you
was just in a wreck, and my kid needs me, and you arrest me when I could have gone home with my dad.
like I just said,
It's political. I think it might be political. Are you being political right
I
now?
have no idea who you are and I can care less,
Is
so
that
no.
what it's about?
We didn't know who you were until you told us.
Told her, watch me. What's your name again?
You said you wouldn't forget it. It's Officer Perez.
What?
Perez. In front of the store right here.
My bra is coming down. Can someone fix that?
They'll help you out. A female will help you out. I'm not gonna do that. I told you.
My kid totaled his car and you have me here. Who are you?
Officer Perez with the Prairie Grove Police Department.
I'm a school teacher, a bus driver, and an elected official, and you arrested me. I just wanted to get to my kid. Anything to do with you, Officer Perez? I have nothing to do with you. You are a bad person. You are a bad person.
Listen to me.
A good person would have let me go home with my dad or my brother because I went to my son's wreck. You, on the other hand, don't be rude.
It has to be someone else. That's childish. Act your age. Okay, you're a grown woman. A suspension on your driver's license but it's not limited to the suspension or revocation of your driving privileges.
But I am
And if you are a
bus driver.
listen, and if you are a commercial
Why
driver's
can I
license
not
holder,
have wine in my own house and then now I'm being
And if
suspended
you are-
for doing that? That's bullshit.
No, you're not.
I actually said a prayer in court yesterday for all of you guys. Whatever you know, I wanted to know what's going on with me. Call Sheriff Helder.
are you going to make a decision?
No, I want you to call
Okay.
Sheriff Helder. No.
I need you to make a decision or it's going to mark it as a
Please
refusal.
call
and you,
Sheriff. Don't try to pressure me.
I'm not pressuring you.
Sheriff Helder.
I don't want you to be
I want
marked as a
Sheriff
refusal.
Helder. Call Sheriff Helder.
Are you going to make a decision?
No, I want you to call
Okay.
Sheriff Helder. No. Call Sheriff Helder, please.
No.
Please.
No.
Please.
Keep going. You gotta blow harder. Keep going. 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 But
I
I'm
worked
sorry.
for your. I advocated for your chief of police. Please let your chief know.
I can let him know, but it's gonna be tomorrow in the morning when he comes into work. I'm not gonna wake anyone up.
Exactly what you did to me. I will let him know it all. He knows me, and I stuck up for him in the quorum court. Remember that. My brother was
Deep breath,
there.
tight seal, and blow like you just
My son just had a wreck, and you arrested me in front of him.
I asked if
You put me in cuffs in front of my
No,
kid.
I walked you over.
Oh, no,
my
you
car.
didn't. He saw it all.
I'll tell you something. Deep breath, tight seal, blow. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
You have no idea.
No,
you have no clue. You have
Insufficient.
no clue. Me being here is all you.
I accept that. Deep breath, tight seal. Keep going. You gotta blow harder.
I'm so glad.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
My son just had a wreck, and you arrested me in front of him.
I asked if
You put me in cuffs in front of my
No,
kid.
I walked you over.
Oh, no,
my
you
car.
didn't. He saw it all. I watched him see it all.
Take a deep breath, tight seal, blow like you're blowing a balloon until I tell you to stop. Deep breath, tight seal, blow. Keep going. Keep going. Keep. The final result of this test here. The final result of this test was a .17, almost double the legal limit. That's why you were arrested. You weren't arrested because you showed up, and you were arrested because you were 2 times the legal limit almost. Your first result was a .185. Second result 171. You're almost 2 times the legal limit as far as the final result is concerned.
Why?
It doesn't matter what it is, and it doesn't matter what the situation. We cannot drive or operate a motor vehicle on the highways of the state in that condition. And that means nothing. If you could check yes or no for that additional test down here at the bottom. So that's the one that we talked about, that you have the right to.
Well, you just ruined my career.
I hope that one day you realize that it was your decision, not mine, to get behind the wheel. Do you happen to know what this is? It was in your purse. It's a partial pill. No, you can't carry
I
it.
would God, don't put that on me too. It's my son.
The most consequential moment in the recording is not the arrest itself, it is the obstruction threat. A relative on scene states that, quote, cops lie all the time. The officer responds with a threat of arrest for obstruction. Under City of Houston versus Hill, decided in 1987, the First Amendment protects a significant amount of verbal criticism directed at police. Profanity, insult, and accusations of dishonesty fall within that protection absent fighting words or true threats. Obstruction, in nearly every state, requires a physical or actively interfering act, not mere speech. A threat of arrest based on protected speech, even when not executed, exposes the department to liability under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983. There is a separate and lawful basis to clear the scene, however, and that basis is officer and traffic safety. A lawful order to leave an active highway crash investigation is enforceable regardless of speech content. The legal error lies in tying the scene clearing order to the content of the relative speech, rather than to the safety hazard. The collateral consequences of this case will likely exceed the criminal penalty in long-term impact. Under Title 49 of the Code of Federal Regulations, Section 383.51, any DUI conviction triggers a 1-year CDL disqualification. A second offense results in lifetime disqualification, with limited reinstatement provisions in some states. State boards of education hold independent authority to suspend or revoke teaching credentials following a DUI conviction. That authority is heightened where the educator also operates a school bus and transports children. 3 parallel tracks of consequence will run concurrently: criminal prosecution, administrative license action, and educator credential review. A partial pill recovered from the subject's purse introduces a 4th potential track, depending on identification. If the substance is a controlled substance held without prescription, possession charges may follow under state drug schedules. Officer Perez receives a C+. The DUI investigation is sound, but the obstruction threat against protected speech is constitutionally suspect. The subject receives a D. Operating a vehicle at .17 as a CDL holder into an active crash scene defies multiple legal duties simultaneously. The bystander relative receives a B. Verbal criticism is protected, but lingering at an active highway scene against orders is not. The department receives a B-, with a recommendation for First Amendment training and case law refresher courses. 3 lessons emerge from this footage for officers, citizens, and licensed professionals. First, for officers, distinguish between protected speech and obstructive conduct. The former is constitutionally insulated, the latter requires a physical act. Second, for citizens, emotional motivation is not a legal defense. Concern for an injured child does not negate any element of a DUI offense. Third, for licensed professionals, a single impaired drive can collapse 3 careers in 3 separate forums on 3 separate timelines. the right to remain silent exists for moments exactly like this one. Voluntary statements made at the scene become evidence at trial. Verbal hostility toward an arresting officer, while constitutionally protected, never improves a defendant's legal position. The optimal response to a lawful arrest is composure, compliance, and counsel. In that order, and without exception. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this content informative or compelling, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the most fascinating police interactions, courtroom proceedings, and real-world legal moments. We appreciate your support, and we will see you in the next one.